For over a decade, Ford has absolutely dominated the high-speed desert racing segment with the F-150 Raptor. Ram answered back with the TRX and the new RHO. And Toyota? Well, they gave us the highly capable TRD Pro. But let's be honest, it was never a true wide-body, long-travel Raptor killer. Until now. Toyota has officially trademarked a name that is sending shockwaves through the truck community, the TRD Hammer. And thanks to recent spy shots and real-world desert testing, we know this is not just a styling package. Toyota is finally building a legitimate, high-flying, wide-body desert runner. Is it worth waiting for 2027 to get your hands on one? Let's break down everything we know. Toyota Tundra TRD Hammer platform. The upcoming Toyota Tundra TRD Hammer is not just another trim level, it's shaping up to be an absolute off-road beast engineered to dominate terrain that would stop ordinary trucks in their tracks. However, it still rides on the rugged TNGAF platform, but everything around it is being pushed to the extreme. Right away, the most aggressive change you will notice is the dramatically wider stance. Those flared front and rear fenders are not just for looks, they are designed to house a much more advanced suspension setup. Now here is where things get really exciting. The current Toyota Tundra TRD Pro already comes equipped with impressive Fox Racing Shocks 2.5-inch internal bypass dampers with remote reservoirs. But the TRD Hammer is expected to go even further. It will have upgraded springs and dampers tuned for significantly longer suspension travel. What does that mean for you? The ability to blast across desert terrain at high speeds while maintaining control, stability, and comfort, something only elite off-road machines can do. TRD Hammer engine. The ultimate battleground for truck supremacy always takes place under the hood, and Toyota is taking a highly sophisticated approach to power delivery. If you are holding out hope that Toyota will resurrect a supercharged V8 to combat the 720 horsepower Ford Raptor R, it is time to face reality. The Hammer is targeting the high-volume core of the market. It will utilize a highly tuned, high-output iteration of Toyota's 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6 iForce Max hybrid powertrain. This powertrain is optimized specifically for desert racing applications. In its standard configuration, this system already pumps out an impressive 437 horsepower and a massive 583 pound-feet of torque. But insider sources indicate the Hammer will push those numbers to at least 480 horsepower and well over 600 pound-feet of torque. By comparison, the standard Ford Raptor produces 450 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque, meaning Toyota will possess a massive torque advantage right out of the gate. The beauty of this hybrid setup lies in the electric motor positioned between the engine and the stouter 10-speed automatic transmission, which fills in the turbo lag void instantly when you bury the throttle. This immediate power delivery is critical when navigating deep sand or climbing steep silt beds, where waiting for turbochargers to spool can mean the difference between maintaining momentum or getting completely stuck. And here is something many people overlook. Toyota engineers are usually conservative. They don't push engines to the absolute limit unless they believe the platform can survive years of punishment. So, if Toyota actually releases a 500-plus horsepower TRD Hammer, there is a good chance they've overbuilt it for durability. That alone could make this truck extremely attractive. Because buyers are getting tired of high-performance trucks that become repair nightmares after heavy use, Toyota may try to create something fast and dependable at the same time. TRD Hammer hardware. When you look underneath the aggressive sheet metal of the TRD Hammer, you find a masterclass in off-road chassis engineering. While the standard TRD Pro offers a modest 1.1-inch front lift, and Fox 2.5-inch internal bypass shocks, it retains the narrow factory track width, which severely limits high-speed cornering stability in the dirt. The TRD Hammer completely flips that script. By widening the track by nearly 3 inches, it instantly becomes more planted, more aggressive, and far more stable in high-speed off-road conditions. Those beautifully flared wide-body fenders aren't just for show. They are functional, made from lightweight composite materials and equipped with heat extraction vents to manage airflow under extreme stress. And here's where things get serious. To handle the massive, unsprung weight of 37-inch BF Goodrich KO3 all-terrain tires, Toyota ditches the standard setup and brings in massive Fox 3.0 live valve internal bypass shocks. These aren't ordinary dampers. They actively adjust in real time, delivering precision damping whether you are crawling over rocks or flying across desert terrain. Spy shots from the testing tracks reveal heavily beefed-up, forged aluminum front-lower control arms and a reinforced multi-link rear suspension with an upgraded panhard rod to prevent axle wrap under hard acceleration. High-clearance steel bumpers are integrated seamlessly into the front fascia that drastically improves the approach angle to over 35 degrees. This ensures that large rocks and steep dunes won't tear off the front clip. This highly specialized hardware combination ensures a staggering increase in suspension travel, which allows the Hammer to glide over deep desert whoops at highway speeds without bottoming out. Estimated arrival and price. Bringing a high-performance flagship like this to market requires a careful balancing act of premium pricing and flawless mechanical execution. We fully anticipate Toyota to officially peel back the curtain on the production TRD Hammer late this year, with vehicles arriving on dealership lots during the first half of 2027. Given that a standard Tundra TRD Pro already commands a premium MSRP of around $74,000, but the addition of wide-body fabrication, specialized Fox 3.0 architecture, and heavy-duty steel bumpers will easily push the Hammer's base price past the $85,000 mark. This positions it perfectly against a mid-tier Ford Raptor. This makes it a highly compelling alternative for buyers seeking legendary Toyota reliability alongside elite off-road capability. However, Toyota faces a massive hurdle in convincing die-hard domestic truck loyalists to jump ship, especially given the intense internet scrutiny surrounding early manufacturing debris issues in the current generation V6 engines. Despite Toyota has aggressively handled those early recalls and completely remedied the production line assembly process, the TRD Hammer must debut with bulletproof reliability to establish its dominance. If Toyota can deliver a flawless launch, the Hammer's combination of hybrid efficiency, motorsport-proven chassis dynamics, and exceptional resale value will make it a predator worth waiting for. That's all for this video. If you have been waiting for a truck that combines aggressive wide-body styling with bulletproof engineering, your patience is about to be rewarded. But I want to hear from you. Does a 600-pound-foot hybrid V6 pack enough punch to make you pass on the Ford Raptor or the Ram RHO? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. Make sure to smash that subscribe button with notifications turned on so you don't miss our upcoming live coverage, and I will see you in the next video.